Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And this video I'm going to talk about how to screen record on your iPhone with audio and you don't have to use any kind of extra app and how you can do it. So let's get started. First of all, what you need to do is we just need to go over here on the control center, and from here you have to tap on the plus icon over here. Just tap on the plus icon. So from here we need to add the screen control. I don't have it, the screen recorder. So tap on add a control. Now first of all you have to add this screen recording. Let me tap on this one. So it is added here, and just tap over here like this. And right now I'm going to screen record it. So tap on this particular one over here like this. Now when you have to just press and hold like this, you can see we'll be getting these options. Now from here I have selected the screen recording. You can see there is at the bottom there is an option called microphone off, which means right now the microphone is off if I'm trying to screen record anything. So if you want to turn it off, what I need to do is if I want to turn it on, just go over here, tap on it. And right now as you can see the the red indication is the microphone is on. Now what you need to do is you just need to go over here, tap on this one, and right now it is turned it on. So right now the screen recording is processed and you're recording it both the audio. As you can see the red icon over here, it represents the dot, it is screen recording, and there is an orange icon over here, it represents the audio is recording right now. Now if you wanted to stop, you just need to go over here, tap on this one, so that the screen recording is done and your iPhone records right now with audio and you don't have to use any extra app. And this is what you have to do. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.